आता तुम्ही सगळी बरी असली साऊद आणि भलायकेन. वेलकम टू वेल्स क्विक टिप्स अँड ट्रिक कुकिंग चॅनल. तर आयज आमी हे राणे जे नुस्तें आहा तेका हांवें ऑलरेडी मीठ लायला. सो आय हॅव ऑलरेडी एप्लायड सॉल्ट अँड नाव वी वील एप्लाय आवर बेसिक मसाला वॉट वी ॲड. सो आय एम ॲडिंग हाफ टीस्पून ऑफ turmeric powder, half teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and 1 teaspoon of chili powder. So this is all what we need, and the additional what I am adding to this is our curry leaves chutney. Recipe is already there on the YouTube, you can check. And then we'll squeeze some lime juice in this. So half of lime juice, and we'll marinate and keep this for 30 minutes, and then we will fry this. You can apply Rava and fry it, that is semolina, or you can just fry this how it is. So just marinate and keep this. That's it. So in my chutney, it is already there, ginger garlic paste. If you don't have this chutney, then you can apply ginger garlic paste also. So this is plain semolina, and I will add little bit of salt in this. Mix all this and coat all the fish and then fry. So just coat this in that fish how much you want. And fry. So the oil is hot and we will fry this. Now we will deflop this. And here is our fish fries ready. Easy, simple, not much things, but it's nicely done. So Goan Rane fish fry is ready, or pink perch fish fry is ready to eat. Thank you so much.
And here it is, ready to eat, tasty and yummy Goan Rane fish raw fry. Thank you.